welcome back to my channel. It's Gauri over here. So we were so bored of our toys, we didn't know what to do. So we're going to be making a
ball cannon.
And I forgot to introduce my brother.
The ball cannon is like this.
And then you shoot it up.
You put it in.
Shoot it up. It came in the camera.
But don't worry, we'll teach you how to make it too.
This is super simple to make.
Yeah.
You will only need about 3 things. So the first thing is some paper cups,
Paper or card cups. We
some
need
balloons,
that
2
are-
ping pongs.
2 ping pong balls. And they're lightweight.
We've cut the holes in the cup. And now watch cut the balloon. We're not cutting all of it, otherwise it won't work. We're cutting just a teeny little bit, as you can see. And this is how it should turn out. A little bit cut, but the rest of the balloon is still tight. After we've cut the balloon, we're gonna tie a knot on the top, like that. You put the balloon
Over the cup.
inside the
Over.
cup. Yeah. Thanks for coming. Can you help me a little?
This is how it's supposed to be. And then you push it. Pop.
I haven't done it yet. You need to help me. Yay!
For everything, our cannon is complete. You basically just pull the string,
Thing.
and then the ball must pop out.
Ow! If your balloon comes off, I suggest you to use another cup. So you cut out another cup.
And then you make a hole in it too, and slide it over the first cup.
And boom! It goes up.
But I would suggest putting the cup over, because like sometimes when you want to pull it, it comes out. But when you attach the second cup, there's a very less chance of it coming off.
So, after I showed you how to make it, we're at the park here, and we're gonna play, like, throwing this
At each other. We have to get, whoever gets the first 3 hits at each other wins the game.
Woo, yeah.
Ah, you're on the head. 1 point. 1-0.